Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is about Shiba Inu. Alright, my Shiba Inu holders, let's get right into it. But before we do that, if you're new, do not forget to come join the Crypto ZX army by subscribing. And yeah, if we're looking at the price of Shiba Inu right now, it is currently trading at 0.00001 cents. So we currently have 4 zeros for Shiba Inu. And when is the time going to come when we're going to be 3? Hopefully this year. But if we're looking at the price right now in the immediate short term and making the analysis, it is down about 7.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 7% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 14th spot with a market cap of $6.1 billion and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at half a billion dollars. But now let's shift our focus on the price and see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term for the price of Shiba Inu. But before we jump into that, as you guys know, that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if we're looking at the bigger picture right now, you guys can see Shiba Inu is still down. If we measure it from its all-time high, we're still down about 89% since then. So if we're looking at the bigger picture, it is still down quite a bit. And despite this fact, if you really want to measure the community strength, let's just look at how strong Shiba Inu has held within that top 20th spot within the cryptocurrency market ranking, even in the bear market. Originally created as just a meme token, no one really took it seriously, but it literally blasted off, literally went insane. And that is what not a lot of people realize what Shiba Inu has done. And not only then, Shibarium, or however you want to, sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, is coming out. And a coin that was originally just built as a meme coin really is going to have a use case. How crazy is that? Now, we can't really write off any meme coins no more. Any project can come and start developing. Any project can, come up with a new roadmap after building a community and start actually building and innovating. And that's what Shiba Inu has literally done. It says, despite the fact that meme coins are created just for fun, the team behind Shiba Inu is working towards developing the entire ecosystem. Like I said, back in 2021, Shiba Swap was launched. It is a decentralized economy based on Ethereum blockchain, allowing users to stake, buy, sell, offer liquidity, or hold tokens in the decentralized exchange. Besides, the Shiba Inu team will focus on gaming apps and metaverse in order to provide a wholesome experience for the investors, which means that there's a plenty of updates that we are yet to see. After the long-awaited Shibarium, the Shiba Inu team was happy to say that Shibarium beta was live on March 11th, which is a major reason for the price to rise we're seeing now. The early beta test of the Shibarium network is called PuppyNet, and it will allow users to build dApps, power projects with it, and also integrate into real-life businesses, which is massive. We can expect further news about this update in the following period. While some investors rush to get their Shiba tokens, others turn to a new coin, Love Hate Inu, which is now available on pre-sale. That's not what we're going to be talking about. That's just in this article. But if we're looking at the price of Shiba Inu right now, let's look at what's happening. So, obviously this right here is the bigger picture. But now let's zoom into this chart right here and see what's happening in the shorter time frame over the last 12 months and where the price is currently sitting at. So you guys can see since the last May, almost a year now, you guys can see the price has stayed within this range. So let me bring it out. So within that 0.0000178 cents mark, and in between that 0.0000007 cents mark. So over the last 12 months, we've been basically consolidating within this range, which is no secret at this point. So number one thing I want you guys to understand is that the overall strength, the sports strength that Shiba Inu has for itself is really strong right now. So, even when we do see prices go towards the upside, this will play as a massive level of support for the price of Shiba Inu. And, if you picked up some Shiba Inu last year at its all-time lows back on June, you are already up about 41%, not 100% gains, but still something. But now comes the question, where is Shiba Inu's price going in the immediate short term? So on the hourly time frame, you guys can see, since the yearly high, which was set back on February 5th when markets were going off, you guys can see we did go all the way up to that 1.57 cents mark, and since then had a retracement of about, we're looking at about 35% retracement. And what's crazy to me is that when the prices were going towards the upside, people go insane. Human psychology works like prices are going up, FOMO is at all-time high. But when prices tumble down, no one wants to touch it. And the people that do touch it, the people do that dollar cost averaging, and let's say they have money that can afford to lose, they're dollar cost averaging. And there's a very, very famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. The ones that are being greedy when the prices are in the red, they are the ones that do tend to do good. So if we're looking at the price of Shiba Inu, a lot of accumulation pattern happening within the price, but it's yet to retest this level of resistance, which we did test back on August 14th and was a clear rejection. And I want you guys to understand how important this level really is. This level is extremely important because it's a huge level of resistance. And you guys can see we saw a rejection back in August, and even after things started looking so good for the entire markets this year so far, it's yet to retest that, and we still have long ways to go. If I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we still have about 70% to go for us to retest that level. And as we're getting closer to Shibarium, obviously the beta is going right now, but more and more positive news, especially Bitcoin, continue this upwards trend, can get things rolling. And this could potentially be the last time to be accumulating cheap Shiba Inu, especially below this massive level of resistance. Keeping in mind, BTC dominance right now is just skyrocketing. BTC dominance is going insane because massive interest is flowing into Bitcoin right now, meaning that this index could continue its upwards trend, which could mean altcoins are going to continue lagging behind Bitcoin for maybe another few months. That could definitely be a possibility right now, which means obviously they are going to explode in USD prices, but not as those explosive prices that we like. Could see a lag behind, and this could also impact when Bitcoin sees cool-offs like it's seeing right now after its yearly high. We're seeing altcoins bleed even harder because of the dominance index. And if this continues to increase and BTC were to see cool-offs, altcoins are going to get hit even harder. So with that being said, let's say Bitcoin were to fly to 30 or past 30K right now. We know people are finally starting to realize what Bitcoin is literally all about. And if more and more money were to flow into Bitcoin, like these whales, big massive institutions are coming into Bitcoin to hedge against inflation, Bitcoin can go insane. We've seen banks failing around the globe. People are finally starting to realize, wait, hold up, Bitcoin is actually has a use case. It's its own bank. When you think about it, you're your own bank, you own your own wallet, you own your own private keys. No one owns your Bitcoin. So when people take that into consideration, people are getting excited. So if those factors you get involved, and even if Bitcoin were to see a little bit of a cool off and BTC dominance were to come to a little bit of a drop, I am expecting altcoins to go insane, because now that Bitcoin has seen a new yearly high, guess what's due? Altcoins to hit a new yearly high. So that's going to flow into altcoins, and that's my personal projection for the next even few weeks, to be quite frank with you. But in order for that to happen, we do need to see a little bit of a cool off happening in BTC dominance to pull down, and Bitcoin to stay stagnant. If both things fall down, then obviously that is not the case. But that is it for today's update right now. I will keep you guys updated if anything were to change. But I would love to know your guys' analysis and overall, your thoughts on this entire situation. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.